You're in business, so you know about leveraging your strengths and capitalizing on opportunities. Chances are it also means you're pretty sharp when it comes to making a deal. So when it's time to make real estate moves, why should you hire a brokerage firm that only represents tenants? Well, consider this. Landlords also know how to capitalize on opportunities because real estate is their business. What's more, most brokers often represent both tenants and landlords, a conflict of interest which can compromise your position and leave you exposed in ways you've never even considered. Fortunately, Cresa is there for you. With Cresa, the largest tenant-only real estate firm, there are no compromises, no hidden agendas, and no conflicts of interest. We put our expertise, insights, and experience to work for tenants, and only tenants, so you have the leverage and peace of mind. With our approach, we'll help you find the right space and give you the advantage so you can get the best possible deal. That's our business. Cresa, the tenant's advantage.